Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today is such an exciting day. I have some news for you guys, and this is just gonna be about a spoiler that I will share just today. So if you guys want to see what I think about it, and probably at the end of this video I'm gonna be including possibly 3 full box reveal based on just on this picture alone. If you guys are interested, guys, let's just go ahead and get started. Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you guys are here. As you know, this is my channel, Jazz Journey, but on Instagram I love to share everything Boxycharm. So you guys could follow me at Boxy Box Sneak. This is something I already shared this morning, but I really wanted to bring it to you guys on a video. And guys, could this possibly be a premium takeover box? I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. So before we get started, if you guys have not done your pick your choice item, it's so interesting, so many great items for the box of April that is still open. Go ahead and check that out. Also, the add-on store is going on, different deals happening every day, different days. If you're new, you want to sign up to Boxycharm. You guys going to be getting the March box if you sign up during this time, and you guys go ahead and type in a promo code. C in green is the only promo code available. A few days before there was another promo code, but right now it's only this one. And once with that promo code, you're going to be getting the Hip Dot palette and also a $10 credit for the March add-ons. So if you want to know anything about April, there's so many things happening in April. I already did a video, guys. Go ahead and check out that video. That way you get to see everything that's happening for the base and premium box for April. I'm gonna link it on this section here. But on this video, we're just gonna talk about if this is a possibly just a sneak peek, just showing us a palette, or is this possibly a takeover box. So remember, just keep in mind, this is just based on what I saw in the picture, what I have selected and found on previous email surveys. I'm taking all that to account, and this is just my opinion alone. So let me know what you guys think. If you would like to see a takeover box, as you know, we only had one previously for the premium box as well. That was a Fenty Beauty. If you guys would like to see another takeover box, let me know in the comment section or just like this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So this was the picture that was shown this morning, and guys, look at this box. Right away we could tell it's a premium box. I wonder if underneath it has the brand, just like we had Fenty, it had the name of the brand inside. I wonder if this is going to be showing right underneath it, or maybe it's not, maybe it's just me, but hopefully we get to see the brand if this is possibly a takeover box. But then right away we get to see so many boxes, but one just stand out, and that's the Norvina palette. I have that palette. I did a video when that palette came out comparing it with another palette, and you guys could check out that video if you like to. Such a huge palette. I was so impressed how big this palette is, how heavy it is, and the pigmentation is such a unique and great palette. But as you know, it's very expensive. But guys, we might be getting it in a Boxycharm box, and as you see, because of the inside, it looks like it's coming to a premium box. So here it is a little bit more closed up, and as you see, a lot of the products are there. A lot of the boxes, they're just turned upside down. We cannot really tell what they are, but on this video I'm gonna go over right away. You get to see the Norvina palette. Come on, that's just a given right there. And I love we were able to make out that it was Norvina. So based on those boxes, it does look like it's going to be a possible takeover box. So the first one we see is the Norvina. This is the from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So what you guys could pick up already, that this might be an Anastasia Beverly Hills takeover box. Oh my god, how exciting that will be. But let's say it's not even a takeover box. Just this palette alone truly will make this box premium, one that I would love to get. And in the future, we might know for sure when it might be coming. But once we get to see these sneak peeks straight from the CEO, we know that it's happening. We just don't know when or how far in the future, if it's going to be a variation. But I'm loving that we're already seeing it in a premium box. Another box I want to show you is this one right here. And as you see, it's the same color, and it's Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a loose setting powder. Later on, I'm going to show you maybe 2 shades that are only going to be coming in the box if this is confirmed later on. Moving on, we have another box, and as you see here, it is a different color, but you know that this loose highlighter come in different shades. So we're just seeing one specific one here, but they are so cute. I just love it that it's truly glam. Her packaging are so cute too. So based on that box, that's what it looks like, a loose highlighter there. Moving on, another one, I think this was the first thing I noticed besides the palette, was some some falsies. So once I started looking for packaging, I realized that's what was a given to me, that this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Takeover Box, also because of this box right there. So we have some false lashes, and the packaging, as you see, is exactly the same. So guys, I'm telling you, this looks completely like a Takeover box. What about this white box here? It looks like it's pretty long, and this one, if you put it face up, it will be a given. You could already see that it's a dewy set. This is a setting spray from Anastasia Beverly Hills, another glam luxurious type of setting spray with the glitter there. You can barely see it to there. That's why I try to do a close-up picture so you guys get to see a little bit closer. And I think it looks pretty long, and it does seem to be like that dewy box. It may be that dewy box, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section. Then I was starting to wonder, what about this black box? It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a hydrating oil, and it's a hydrating oil that is nourishing face oil with botanical extracts, and it does look like it might be that the black box you see there, and that's why I wanted to do a more zoom picture. Sadly, the picture and the quality doesn't look so great or too detailed, but based on that, I feel like that's what it may be. As you know, we keep getting email surveys, and some of those email surveys we have seen in the past that they have shared like brands like Huda Beauty, Anastasia Beverly Hills, that probably fit this box right here. But I'm going to show you all three in case. So in this one, we have a different palette, which I would love to get this palette too. See, it's all Anastasia Beverly Hills products. This is the Norvina Pro Pigment palette. This is volume 3. Volume 1 was the first one that was released, and I bought that because that's my favorite color. But once she released 2 and 3, but they were so close to each other, I wanted all 3. But this one would be a great palette as well. Right next to it, one thing that I did not mention, it's hard to pick up which one of these boxes are, but on this survey it mentions liquid lipstick, which it makes sense to get a liquid lipstick as well. Another item that I don't see a box for it is the Kabuki brush that we see here on this email survey. Next, we have the loose highlighter. Then we have the hydrating oil, which I mentioned. And last, I did not mention this one. At least I did not pick that item up from the boxes itself. But this is a clear brow gel. Now let's go ahead and let me show you the second probably full box review based on a survey. And this is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1, which is the purple palette. It's funny how the color looks so different there. The setting spray, the loose highlighter, the Vegas shade or the color, the hydrating oil, the clear brow gel. Last is the false lashes, and it's telling you exactly which one is false nasty. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last one, and this one is really interesting because it has more products here that I did not mention, but some of these black boxes here, I don't know which one it was related to. So once again, we have the volume 1 palette. Then we have the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So one of these boxes might be the mascara. Also, we have the Brow Definer, which I would love to get that actually. Then we have the Loose Setting Powder, and that is the big box. That's the loose setting powder, and it's telling you the 2 shades that is going to come in, or the options that were given, which was translucent and golden. And then we have the liquid lipstick and also the shimmer body oil, which I don't know which one of those boxes it may come in. But based on all these 3 different surveys that we have picked up from past emails sent, we're able to put together what those boxes may be. And I feel like we have probably a full box review or maybe a simple variation. Now, it's interesting that 2 of those surveys we do continue seeing the volume 1, and then 1 of those surveys have volume 3. So it is interesting. I don't know what it may be, if it's going to be a variation, if we're going to be able to choose. Hopefully we're able to choose. As you know, this is an option that we have for premium, that we're able to choose now 2 products, 2 items. So I'm excited, guys. I wanted to bring you this new information and not only bring you just a picture of the palette, but of past email surveys, possible full box reveal, so you guys could know exactly what it may be coming. And once again, guys, once I know if it's confirmed, any of these items that I'm confirmed, I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So guys, truly thank you for watching this video, for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.